Alright, so you're going to start by putting all the oats that you have, which is half a cup of instant oats, or you can also just put 5 tablespoons or 6 if you're really that hungry. And then after putting all the oats into a bowl, you will be adding the cacao, which is 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And try to get the unsweetened ones because those are the best for you. And then I put 2 because I want my oatmeal bowl to be very chocolatey, but as well I just wanted to let you know again that this is cacao, real chocolate without sweets. It's just chocolate, which is very good for us, by the way. And after that, you'll just have to add hot water. Boiling water, to be honest, is very, very nice. Let it soak for almost, let's say you could just put it for 5 minutes if you can wait, but the instant oats will just automatically be cooked. And then the only thing you'll have to do is to combine all the ingredients that you have put into the bowl, and then just stir and then combine and just keep stirring and combining. And then after a long time of stirring and combining, so this actually took like approximately 5 minutes, and then you could see that it's still boiling because it was really hot, but then it will be cooking while you're putting your healthy toppings on the top. Alright, so when you have done letting it soak, letting it cook, now you can just put the healthy toppings on the top, which is I put granola here, which is organic, and I added some coconut flakes, which is also organic, and you can have it on your local store. Just make sure that it says organic and unsweetened. And then you could add pumpkin seeds. You can also put some flower seeds, almonds. There's a lot of things that you could put. There's a lot of options. You can also do flax seeds depending on the nutrition that you want to target that day. You could do that. And then I also added some of the berries that I have in the fridge. Alright, so I added some raspberries in there. They are so good. They're very rich in minerals, vitamins, and they are superfoods, also an antioxidant. I added some blueberries as well, which is very good for us, for our bodies, one of the superfoods of the berries. And this can also help us because it's very high in potassium and vitamin C, which we actually all need right now. It can also help lower your risk of heart disease and cancer. It's very healthy to eat this every day. It improves your heart health, and eating it is better than drinking it. Just saying, okay? And there you have it, your own oatmeal bowl made by yours truly. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you have a great day. Do not forget you are very beautiful and you are the best thing. Stay safe and always love yourself. Bye. One,
Blow,
two,
blow.